Alright guys, back with the Boss Moto 125 Vader clone, or Vader 125 Grom clone, whatever you want to call it. This is the special edition. This is my first mod video. The bike, I've gotten the bike all assembled and given it a quick test ride, and just like others have reported, the shifter is terrible. The shifter is going to end up causing an accident. It won't shift reliably, and keeps binding up, so it's got to go. Now, what I've got is a shifter that I got from Amazon. This one here. It's called Pit Pro Racing. It's got the spring-loaded shifting mechanism here, so that if you bump into anything, it doesn't break your shift shaft off. All right, now for installation. I already have all of this loosened up, so y'all don't have to watch me try to loosen something up. And it's held on with a bolt that goes through here. It's 10 millimeters. Your wrench that came in your toolkit with the bike, we'll be able to take that off. And then on the back side over here, right there, there's a spot that's held on by a little circlip, and I already popped that off. Came off really easily. You're supposed to use a special tool to be able to get it off, but I just popped it off with a flathead screwdriver. So let's go on and take this off. There we go. Goodbye, hunk of junk. And hello, new awesome. There we go. And I'm going to be using Loctite thread locker, or Permatex thread locker orange, right there. Okay, just going to take and put a little bit on there. You don't have to swamp the thing in it. There we go. A little bit goes a long way. And we just run this screw right on back up in here. Okay, now I'm going to take an Allen key, tighten it down, and instead of using regular Allen keys, I've got this really great set that I've used for everything over the years. All right, bought this on Amazon, and let's see what size this is. There we go. It's an H5. And get this tightened up. Oh, that's on loosen. There we go. Don't tighten it too much. Remember, you're going into aluminum. It's a soft metal. Much better. Oh my gosh, that's going to be great. All right. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. More mod videos to come. See you later.